Welcome back all programmers. Well, in today's video, in today's this hand-on experiment number 4, we are going to learn a simple Python program to input three numbers of type integer. Okay, and then we are going to print sum and average. So what is the logic behind this? We are going to create sum, we are going to create three inputs, we are going to make sum and we are going to make average, and then simple printout will be there. Okay, so let us start that. In order to take input three integers, what is required? Three variables required. So I'm going to take three variables. Let's suppose x equal to, and what the type of input will be there? I'm going to have a typecasting, that is integer typecasting. Okay, so I'll start with integer. Then I'll go for input command. You see, input command, and input is going to have a prompt here. Okay, see, I'm going to write the prompt here. So what prompt is that? Enter the value of x. Done. Then again I am going back here. Okay, so our first input is being done, and that input is what? It is of type integer. Okay, so again I am writing here integer. Then again I am writing here input. Okay, so then again I am going to write here enter the value of y. Right, just see. So done. So we have taken two input of type integer. Okay, now have a z1 again. So I am going to write here z is equal to, again I'm going to write here input typecasting. Okay, then I'm going to write here input. Okay, integer typecasting. Then we are going to write input command, and I'm going to call a prompt here, enter the value of z. Okay, so this is z, and again I am going back here. Done. Now in order to make sum, very simple, what is that? I take s variable, s is equal to x plus y plus, and then I'm going to write here z. Okay, very simple arithmetic Python expression I had written here. Okay, then what I need to do, I am going to make an average of that, and here Python is giving you two type of average. Either you can print only the integral value, or either you can print the whole integral as well as decimal part. Okay, so I'm going to take here a1 I'm going to take a1 is equal to, then I'm going to take here sum by total number of. So what is sum here? Sum is coming from this x. Then what is the total number? 3 is coming. So in this one, in a, this backslash and 3, what is that called? Division here. So here this is going to print you, this is going to give you integral part also and decimal part also. Then a2 is equal to, again I'm writing here sum, sum of observation, that is sum floor 3. So this is going to give me only the integral part. Okay, so let's try a print out here. So I'm going to write here print. You see print, and then I am going here, that I can write very simple statement, that sum equal to, and then I am going back here as. So this can also work, a very simple statement. But let's learn some customized output. Okay, so that your output will look good. So I am going to write here sum of, then I need a value here x. So x is going to come sum of x. Okay, then comma, then again I am going to write here value is going to come y, sum of x comma y, and then I am going to write here and z. Okay, then again is then a value is going to come, that is s. So now how to read this one? You see, so what is going to come here, that the sum of x comma y and z is final sum is coming here. Okay, right? So same thing I can write for average also. So I am just making an average here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make here this, instead of sum I'm writing here average. Okay, then here again I am going back here, I am going to write here a for average. Okay, and it is coming from a1. Right, then again I am going back here, again I am going to write here average, and then again I am going back here, I am writing a2 because the value is coming from a2. Right, we have calculated. So now what type of output it is going to give, let's see when we are going to run the program. Okay, so let me run the program and show the output to you. And once again we are going to, I'm going to write here sum and average. Okay, sum and average, then I'm going to save it. Okay, it is saving. So now you see my program enters in running phase. This is runtime of the program. program enter in Python shell. Okay, so I'm going to write here some values. Let's suppose 29 I'm writing here, then 46 I'm writing here, then 87 I'm writing here. Done. 29, 46, 87. I'm going to press enter. You just check it out. Sum of 29, 46 and 89 is 162. See, the customized output is coming. Then again average of 29, 46 and 87 is 54.0 is coming. Then again average of 29, 46 and 87 is coming 54. So this is the customized output you have just generated, is it? Now you see, are you getting here? The first average A1 is giving you the decimal also, and in the second average is giving you only the integral part. Okay, so that is up to you. Now I'm going back here. Let's run once again this program, okay, to see what is. So I'm going to run the program again. I'm going run part run. Okay, so again you see. So let's suppose some different values. 8 I'm going to put. Then I'm going to put 3 here. Then I'm going to put 7 here. Let's suppose 9 here. Okay, so let's see what is the value. Again you see sum is coming 20, right, and you see average is coming 6.666 like that. So this is all the precise digit of integer. Okay, then you see in the third one you see what is coming here. You see only the integral value is coming here, that is 6, right? Okay, so this can give average with decimal, and this is going to give average with integers. Okay, so again I'm going back to my program here, and in this one I'm going to let you know there is another way of making this. Suppose you are going to input. Okay, what you are going to input, I'm going to take input without integer typecasting. Okay, so let enter the number here, and we are going to typecast where we are going to add. Okay, so I'm going to remove all this typecasting from here. So what is the another mode? Now input you are taking, that input will be in form of what? Characters. Okay, so I'm going to go here. Before adding it, I convert that character to integer. Okay, again you see I am converting this character to integer, right? Okay, again I am going converting this character to integer. Done. Okay, so here I took input in terms of character. Then when I'm going to put this sum, I am going to print, I am going to convert this one in form of what? Character. Okay, so again I'm going back here in run. I'm going to have a run module. I am pressing okay. Say it is asking me to give input. Okay, so I'm going to give input. Let's see the same input. I'm putting 8 here, then I'm putting 3 here, and what's the value of z? I'm putting 9 here, right? See, the same is coming. Right. So if you want to make a sum of float value, float means point value. So instead of this integer typecasting, what you need to do? Float. You see float. I am writing float. Now I can put. I am going to write here float. Float. Now I am eligible to write here decimal values. You see float. Done. So I'm going back to run command here, and again run. Again I'm going to make it out here. Again I'm again enter the same value 8.2, right? Then I'm going to write here 3.6. See, I'm writing in decimal also 9.3. Okay, done. Then I am going to write here. You see sum of 8.2, 3.6 and 9.3 is coming 21.1. Average is coming this one, and average is coming 7.0. Is it? Since we have taken all the floating values, so here it is coming 7.0. It has discarded all the eliminated all the decimal part. Okay, and then print out is there. So like this way you can make this program, and that program is you can manipulate it, okay, according to input, according to the type, right? So all right, try it, and remember, learn now or fail later, right? See you next.